The pool. A block down the street. Mailbox is right on the other side of that building. The entrance with gates. Nice big courtyard, the front door entrance. Let's go inside. Entry brings you into the living room. We're just removing a lot of the furniture. Super high ceilings. We had a sectional couch here with a bar behind it, so there's actually enough space in this room to separate into two zones. That's the entry door again. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a family room. Here's the dining area. More of a formal dining room. There's a half bathroom right here. High ceilings. The dining room looks out to the front porch cove, and there's also an interior outdoor cove. Once again, dining room, interior porch cove, high ceilings, kitchen. New granite tops, 100% of the flooring's been replaced. We also have a full-size washer and dryer downstairs. So you don't hear the machine running. Upstairs, the bedrooms. Here's the interior porch room. Let's go outside. Behind the kitchen is an oversized 2-car garage with an electric lift. This is a little service door to that outdoor cubicle. It's the kitchen and dining room windows, and that's the family room windows upstairs. So there's a service door, so you don't have to lift the overhead door every time you come in and out. 2 cars inside, and then also a 3rd car can actually block the outside of the door if you need a 3rd car parked back here. At the yellow sign, the yellow crosswalk sign, there's a locking gate that gets you off of the property into the Publix parking lot. There's 2, 3, 4 gyms between the 4 satellite commercial areas right here. Lots of shopping, lots of activities, and obviously Publix is super close and convenient. Let's go upstairs. Range, microwave, dishwasher, side-by-side refrigerator, island, washer dryer, half bath, dining room, front porch entry, great room, and we'll go upstairs. All right, top of the landing, linen closet right there. Let's do a 180. Stairs, big light, some display platforms. Here's the hall bath. High ceilings upstairs also. Here's the first of the bedrooms upstairs. Nice view to the front. Large closet, 8-foot doors. This is the upstairs family room. We just removed the couches. View, linen. This family room had 2 couches in it plus the table and chair, so it's a decent sized space. Bedroom number 2. Generous closet. Courtyard view. And then the master bath, or master bedroom, has an ensuite bath, walk-in closet, closet system to the ceiling, clothing will be removed when you move in. Ensuite bath has a shower, 2 vanity sink, and a sit-down area. Toilet around the corner with a window. Once again, new flooring throughout the unit. The beautiful pool area.